let's go across to Mangalam. He's tracking all those details very closely. Mangalam, you had some time now to look at those numbers. Tell us.
Absolutely in-line set of numbers, Nigel, if you look at it. Because if you look at the top line, net sales on a consolidated basis have grown at 11%. And remember, the sales breakup is 50% Indian and 50% in international operations. So the India business has grown at 7%, while the international business has grown at 16%. That is primarily because of the acquisition that they made in Africa last year, and that was in the cake. So if you look at, if you strip that off, despite the acquisition, the organic constant currency growth in the international base has also been 6%, so that's no problem. Now, if you take a look at the segments, the key segment this quarter for Godrej Consumers was the household insecticides, your good nights and hit all the insect repellents of the world, primarily because of the higher monsoons, and secondly, there was an outbreak of dengue as well as chikungunya. So household insecticides, we were expecting a broad range of 16 to 20% revenue growth. Out there, the company has posted an 18% revenue growth. The other segment, which is soaps, which accounts for almost 20% of their revenue, soaps, there the revenue has come down by 10%, and that was expected again because the company had taken a price hike of almost 5 to 7% and reduced the promotions as well. HUL too, remember, saw a volume degrowth as far as soaps are concerned, so that was in the industry. Another positive that stands out is the hair colors business, which is a significant part of their revenues, around 10 to 15% out there. While the revenue was flat, the latest offerings that they started, the cream hair color as well as the Be Blunt products, all of them have received some good feedback from the market, and the cream has actually seen double-digit volume growth, mid-teens volume growth, so that is another positive. So all things kept in perspective, it's a very good set of numbers, absolutely in line, and which is why the stock is not moving too high or too low as we speak too.
Yes, indeed. Absolutely flat as we speak.